Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Reynolds with B.O.R.E.D, Better Off Reading Every Day. Today we are outside and we are reading the book called Little Bird's House. And it's a cold one out here, so we're going to read this book and we're going to get inside as soon as possible. You with me? Good. Little Bird's house. Little Bird's house. Little Bird sat in his house in a tree. Why don't my friends ever visit me? Come to my house, Little Bird cried. Don't be silly, said the horse. I could never fit inside. Then I shall find another friend, said Little Bird, and off he flew without another word. Come to my house, Little Bird cried. Don't be silly, said the cow. I could never fit inside. Then I shall find another friend, said Little Bird, and off he flew without another word. Come to my house, Little Bird cried. Don't be silly, said the duck. I could never fit inside. Then I shall find another friend, said Little Bird, and off he flew without another word. So Little Bird sat in his house all alone. Poor me, my friends can't fit inside my home. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, Little Bird cried. If they can't come in here, I'll visit them outside. Welcome, Little Bird, all his friends did say, and the four friends agreed to meet outside every day. So they figured out how to solve the problem of not being able to fit inside Little Bird's house. Little Bird's house. Well, it's not really his house, it's just a bird feeder, but you get the idea. So boys and girls, it is Miss Reynolds with B.O.R.E.D, Better Off Reading Every Day. It's been my pleasure to bring this story to you. I do not own the rights to any of these stories that I read to you, but I do love storytelling magic. And storytelling magic today was a bird wanted his friends to come to his house. They could not fit, so they got together and they figured it out, and they came up with a place that they could all be together. And even though we can't really go to each other's houses now because of everything that's going on in the world, we can definitely meet outside, which is where I am today for B.O.R.E.D on location. So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, get outside, meet up and see your friends, and from this friend to that friend, I will see you soon. But wait. Wait a minute. Here I am. Boys and girls, I wanted to show you my wings. I feel like a true bird today, right out here with you doing our board twirl. I feel like a true bird being outside here with you. Come be a bird with me. Let's fly together. Let's take this journey and fly and reach for the stars together. Bye.